Don't have a live trading account yet? Let's fix that in 60 seconds. Log into your FXGT portal using your registered credentials. If you don't have an FXGT account, register on the website or watch this video to help you get started. From your client portal, select Accounts from the left-hand menu. You'll be redirected to the Open Trading Account page. You have the option to open a live trading account or a demo account. A live account requires real funds to trade, while a demo account lets you practice using virtual funds. Select Live and then choose your trading platform. This can be MT5 or MT4, depending on your preference. Pick your account type and select the leverage and currency options available for that account. You may add a custom label if you like. Once you've customized your account, click Submit. Your account is ready for trading. Now, explore exciting features, fund your account, or review account-specific bonuses to enhance your trading experience. Not ready to trade live? Start with a demo account to practice with virtual funds. If you face any challenges, contact our 24/7 customer support team for assistance. You're all set. It's time to explore the markets and trade with confidence on FXGT.
FXGT, where traditional meets digital.